The Basenji dog breed was originally bred in Central Africa over thousands of years ago. These dogs were used primarily for hunting small game, like rodents and birds. Their quiet nature, they don't bark like most dogs, allowed hunters to sneak up on prey without scaring it away. Basenjis are incredibly agile, alert, and intelligent, making them perfect companions for tracking and flushing out game in dense forests and savannas. Over time, their unique traits and adaptability made them a valued companion and working dog in African communities. So the Basenji's quiet demeanor and sharp instincts aren't just cute. They're hundreds of years of selective breeding for survival.